If you're experiencing login issues on Bitrue, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use sRARC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily. These services can sometimes interfere with the login process. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Bitrue's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Bitrue. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from their support team.